For the health and safety of everyone, we encourage you to continue to maintain social distance between you and others.
All he wants is that Allspark, so he can turn every gizmo and gadget on Earth into a legal Decepticon hospital.
Don't be so hard on me, guy. I want to see if we can make friends.
Yeah, we got covered. That's what it is on the second street.
What did I tell you, General? The ambush was just a different...
And arms inside the vehicle, restrained and remain seated. Evac can deploy 12 humans in 3 rows of 4. When you are authorized, enter a row and move to the furthest available seat. Supervise children, making sure that each child has their own seat on board evac. Place carry-on items on the floor in front of you. Do not lower your lap restraint until everyone in your row is seated. And keep arms and legs clear of evac's door. You will require a set of protective eyewear. Wait until you are seated before putting them on. Undo the lap restraint at all times and remain seated.
Construction team, this is Optimus Prime. My Autobots are taking the battle stations in Nest and the surrounding area. We'll provide you with all the cover we can. But the future of both our species will be decided by what happens with you. Protect the Allspark. Protect each other. Good luck. Try hard. Ready up soon. So if you need orders, I'll be ready.
You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble... Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right. Watch out! It's Rabbit! He's after the Allspark! Bumblebee, look at that one! Behind you! Got it! Mission to go! Come on, let's get out of this city!
Autobots, roll! I got Megatron! Destroy it!
Hey, recruits, maybe a little warning for me next time?
You can't escape Megatron!
Reverse thrusters! Full command! Help me find a way out of here! Wrong way! We're trapped!
Your planet belongs to me.
Take cover! Look, escape route. Wait, something's wrong. It's Devastator. Last vortex. We need cover. Hold on. Sideswipe.
Rookie, I trusted you with this mission.
We got its focus. Okay. Gotta find a way down. Optimus!
Heroes fight! Your war is with me!
Optimus!
Protect the Allspark.
Just dropping in.
We're on our own. What do we do?
Beg for mercy never.
No more running, recruits. He wants the Allspark? He can have it! Oh no!
Evac, report in. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for being the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride the D-Vac anytime.